If you want Cyberpunk 2077 to look as stunning as possible, turn on ray tracing is the way to go. Here's how to set it up. First, launch Cyberpunk and head to the settings menu. Open the graphics tab, then scroll down until you see the ray tracing option. Make sure your system supports it. You'll need an NVIDIA RTX or AMD Radeon RX 7000 series GPU and the latest drivers installed. Turn on ray tracing on and then choose the level from medium, high, or psycho depending on your PC's power. If your FPS drops too low, you can balance it by enabling DLSS or FSR right below the settings. On consoles like PS5 and Xbox Series X, just go to Settings, Graphics, and pick the ray tracing mode. Finally, restart the game to apply changes. Once you load back in, Night City should look even more realistic with dynamic lighting, reflections, and shadows. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.